In this video, we're going to prove that 2 to the n is greater than or equal to n squared, as n is greater than or equal to 4. So the base case would be n equals 4. So this would be 2 to the 4 is equal to 16. It's greater than or equal to 4 squared, which is also equal to 16, so this is true. So we're going to suppose true for n equals capital N. This means that 2 to the capital N is greater than or equal to n squared. This also means that capital N squared is less than or equal to 2 to the n. So the n equals n plus 1 case would be n plus 1 squared equals n squared plus 2n plus 1 less than or equal to. So we can use this fact right here, 2 to the capital N plus 2n plus 1. This is obviously less than or equal to 2 to the n plus 2n plus 2n, which is 4n. And here we can raise both sides to the 1/2. Giving us n less than or equal to 2 to the n over 2. And for n greater than or equal to 4, n over 2 is less than or equal to n minus 2. So you can show this by multiplying by 2. So you have n less than or equal to 2 to the n 2n minus 4. Minus n on both sides, you get negative n is less than or equal to negative 4. This means that n is greater than or equal to 4. So we showed that that means that n is less than or equal to 2 to the n minus 2, which is 2 to the n over 4. So this is less than or equal to 2 to the n plus 4 times 2 to the n over 4. 4 and 4 cancel. 2n plus 2n is 2 times 2n, which is 2 to the n plus 1. And that finishes the proof.